Hi everyone! Today I have a delightful idea. Love letter butter cookies. Perfect for showing someone special how much you care. With an easy to make dough and a buttery crumb. These cookies are great for Valentine's Day or any occasion. In a bowl mix together half cup of softened unsalted butter, half cup of powdered sugar and 1 egg. Next, add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and pinch of salt. Mix everything until well combined. Pinch of a small portion of the dough. Add some red food coloring and mix well. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Roll out the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper or plastic wrap until thin. Cut it into square about 4 by 3 inch. Scoop 1 teaspoon of your favorite jam into each piece of dough. Fold the left and the right edges towards the center. Then fold the bottom edge up over the middle. From the red-colored dough, cut out a small heart and place it on top. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Once the cookies are baked, let them cool on a wire rack. And there you have it. Our love letter butter cookies are ready to enjoy. Everyone loves a gift from the heart, and this recipe is a fun and easy way to spread some Valentine's Day cheer. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.